In this video, we're taking a closer look at how to add Google Docs to our content. Let's start by creating a new playlist. Let's call this Google Docs. Let's open the playlist. The next step is finding the public link for our Google Docs document. In this example, we'll be using a simple document that we have already created. Go to File, Share, and click Publish to Web. Make sure Link is chosen. Click Publish, and then OK. And this is where we find the public link that we need. Let's copy this. Back at the editor, we'll find the website plugin in the top. And the first thing we should do is replace the website URL with the public link we just got from Google Docs. In this example, we're also going to turn on Force Cache Bursting and refresh periodically. Now, let's move and resize the website plugin and see how that looks in preview. First thing we notice is the size. The content should be a little bigger. We also see that some of Google's headers are included in our content, and we really don't need that. Let's fix that. First, let's move the website plugin a bit off the canvas to avoid the Google headers. And then, let's set the zoom level to 150% to make the content bigger, and let's preview that. That looks a lot better. Please note that content might look different on a screen compared to the preview. For example, the zoom level may look great at 150% in preview, but on the TV it might look better with a zoom level at 120%. Make sure to always check on a TV. Let's make this a bit more appealing. Let's add a background photo and maximize the photo to fit our canvas. Then, let's add a square shape, fit it to our website plugin, and make it a white background for the website plugin. Let's preview. One of the cool things about using Google Docs is that when we make changes in the document, it will automatically update our digital signage. Let's delete the content, add some new content, and go back to the preview. Please note that the refresh interval in the website plugin defines when changes will take effect. If we set the refresh interval to 60 seconds, the website plugin will check for new content every 60 seconds. Thanks for watching.